Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use Audacity to record and edit audio in 2025. Whether you're a podcaster, musician, or content creator, Audacity is a free and powerful tool for professional audio editing. Let's get started. Hashly 1. Download and install Audacity. Head over to Audacity's official website, download the latest version for your operating system, and install it. Once installed, open Audacity and get familiar with the interface. 2. Recording audio. Click the red record button to start recording. Use a good quality microphone for clear sound. Press spacebar to stop recording. 3. Importing audio files. You can also import existing audio. Go to File, Import Audio, and select your file. Drag and drop files directly into Audacity. 4. Editing your audio. Cut, copy, paste. Use the selection tool to trim unwanted parts. Noise reduction. Select background noise, go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and apply the filter. Equalization. Use Effects Graphic EQ to enhance bass, treble, and clarity. Amplify and normalize. Adjust volume levels for balanced sound. 5. Exporting your audio. Once you're happy with the edit, go to File, Export, and choose MP3, WAV, or OG. Adjust quality settings and save your final audio file. That's it. Audacity is a fantastic free tool for high-quality audio recording and editing. Try it out and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.